Hi guys, today I will show you how to make low enrichment fuel rods. So basically these low enrichment fuel rods. So to do this you're gonna need uranium. You can get it from mineshaft in the deep levels in mineshaft. I'm gonna use the item spawner for this one. Let's say this is the mineshaft. Okay, you can watch my video for a mineshaft guide. But this is gonna be mineshaft for our video, alright? So basically what you're gonna want to do is get an enrichment facility after you get the mineshaft. Put it like here and connect it with pipes. Alright, once you pipe it, it's gonna be here. You're gonna need to power it. Also, you have been asking how to get this. You get this from this Sandbox Plus um, Game Pass. Anyways, once you connect it with HV power, you're gonna want to get the hydroxide solution and sodium solution. To get this, you're gonna need watcher, uh, watcher. Oh my god, watcher distribution plants. I, I mean the atmospheric distillation plant. Once you get this, you're just gonna power it, give it some water, and it will work. I recommend getting pipes. I mean two water tanks, water pumps, and connected with pipes. Once you connect it and power it, it's gonna give you the main thing we need, and that is. Wait, why isn't this working? Oh. Make sure to pipe it good. Anyways, once it gets 200 water, it's gonna give us concentrated salt solution. That's what we need. It also gives distilled water. You can put this in somewhere where you want. It's up to you. And that's pretty much the two things you get. I'm gonna store the distilled water for this one. It's up to you what you do with the distilled water. Anyways, now we're gonna want to get electrolysis plant. Uh, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Alright, anyways. You're gonna want to pipe it, the concentrated salt solution into the first output, or the left output. And if you power it, it's gonna be working, and it should be outputting the sodium hydroxide solution and chlorine. Alright, so once we get the sodium hydroxide solution, you're gonna need to put, I'm pretty sure you're gonna need to put the chlorine into hydrogen and distilled water into hydrochloric acid. Oh yeah, so you can use this distilled water for the hydrochloric acid. So to get this, we're gonna need another electrolysis plants. Just put it like next to it, like this. Give it some water this time. Pipe it. Give it with energy, and we're getting hydrogen. You're gonna want to store this as always. Oh, wait. Alright, so once you store it, the oxygen, that's gonna be the second byproduct. You're gonna want to, I'm pretty sure, put it into chemical reactor, yeah. Alright, so it's just pipe it as always. that's a problem. Yeah, let's just say that didn't happen. Oh wait, no, we don't want this here. We want the chlorine. And I also recommend putting the chlorine into the silo because it makes more chlorine than the hydrochloric acid. I mean hydroxide solution. I mean what? I mean the sodium hydroxide solution. Alright, so once we got chlorine and distilled water, we just need the hydrogen. So for the hydrogen, we're gonna need. Oh wait, it's just into the plant. Just pipe it. That's all. So once you got all of them, just power it, and it should give you the hydrochloric acid here. Yeah, it's already making it. So now we're gonna want to get our sodium hydroxide solution. My God, what am I doing? And get our hydroxide solution. I mean hydrochloric acid. We're gonna want to pipe it right this way into our plant. I mean our enrichment facility. Yeah, so once it's in there and once you get the sodium hydroxide, I don't know why. Oh, that's weird. Yeah, I recommend getting 3 of these. I really. So once you get it, you just pipe 3 of these, which I highly recommend. So it can keep up. And wait real quick. Alright, so once you get the sodium hydroxide solution and the hydrochloric acid, it's and it's powered, and you got the uranium in, it should be making the. Wait, what? Yeah, I don't know why it's not working. It should be making um yeah. Oh wait. Yeah, here it should be making the mixed uranium oxide and these two. It's what I just don't understand why it's not making it. Oh wait, I'm sorry, I mixed it wrong. I input it in the wrong way. Frick. Alright, so once you pipe it, you can skip this part. Alright, so now it's working. Yeah, now it's working. It's giving us the mixed uranium oxides, the residue, and the sand. So, start the residue and the sand. Are in here and and pipe it into yeah. Oh, wrong part. Sorry. Alright, so once you get the uranium oxides, these things you're gonna want to pipe them into the advanced oxidation plant. Wait. Oh yeah, the inputs here. I'm sorry. You just want to put it into here, and you will need sulfuric acid here, and wait, what? Yes, you're gonna basically need sulfuric acid. Oh, and um, yeah, you're gonna need mixed uranium oxides, which we just got. You will need ammonia, which I will show you, and sulfuric acid. I'm not gonna show you how to make sulfuric acid. I guess you already know, or you already have it at this point. So I'm gonna make a video next one on how to make sulfuric acid. But to get basically to get ammonia, you're gonna need to mix nitrogen and a hydrogen. To get nitrogen, it's just liquid nitrogen which you get from air separation unit, which is here. Ooh, I'm gonna put it here. So basically, just wire it, and you should be getting it. Just store the excess items, the byproducts of the, or I mean the other ones, or you can use them in research stations if you want. Alright, so once we get the liquid nitrogen, we're gonna need condensate. Yeah. Oh wait, vaporizer. Sorry, I got a little confused here. Just pipe it into the vaporizer. connect it, and you should be getting nitrogen. Now, as you probably know, we're gonna need another one of these electrolysis plants, and via it give it some water, and it should be making you some hydrogen. Uh, yeah, and connect that. Alright, so once you get the water in here, you're gonna get the hydrogen. You want to store the oxygen, or if you don't want to use the nitrogen, I mean the ammonia, you can always use hydrogen, but it's a lot less efficient because it gives you 4 instead of 8. So I recommend getting ammonia. Alright, so just store the oxygen, and now you need to put it into the chemical plant. This setup should cost a few million. It's not that bad. So once you get oxygen and liquid nitrogen, just pipe it in there. Alright, so once you have it in, give it some energy. And you should be getting ammonia. Oh, that's weird. Why isn't it working, bro? What? Yeah, I'm confused. I don't understand why it's not working. Yeah, I really don't know why it's not working. Oh oh I see now. I'm sorry. I'm dumb. The chemical is the chemical plant, not the chemical reactor. Yeah, I already see some people screaming at me. Oh, I did it wrong. Alright, and you just put it in here and put this one in here. Alright. Oh yeah, you need to also, I forgot to power it. Okay. AFK real quick. Alright, so yes, you need Yeah, yeah. This you can just leave it like that. Yeah, here's our ammonia. All right, just pipe it in to here. And you're gonna also need the wait. Oh, this is confusing. Both of them say ammonia, so I got a little confused there. Alright, so once you have this piped, yeah, so you need to get the sulfuric acid, but I don't feel up to it right now, so I'm gonna just put a fluid spawner in here. Yeah, so once you get this, you should be getting yellow cake. So um, you need you need wait, why am I checking? Oh, no, 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 no. Alright. So it should be working now, but it's kind of not. Yeah, yeah, it's working. It's working now. Is it working? Taking yellow cake. Once you get the yellow cake, just I'm not gonna just explain it fully, but all you need is zirconium, which is literally just made from zirconium oxide, and that's easily made in chemical reactor from zirconium chloride. That is a water which you can get from chlorine and raw zirconium. So, and that's also from mineshaft drill at the levels. So you're gonna basically need 2 mineshaft drills. I have good for that, but I ain't gonna do that right now because I'm really not. I don't feel up to it right now. I'm sorry. I gotta go. So please like. I hope you find it useful. I really gotta go. So bye.